In all the contact centers, there are different roles. One of the most important is the administration role. This one will be responsible for creating and administrating the system. Let's start from the beginning. How to create a user. We go to Admin, then People and Permission, and select People. The user is created with the user's email and an invitation is sent by email to the user. This user should accept the link and then the process will start. Once we have created, we assign it a role. Roles are a set of permissions that restrict the action of users in the system. There are predefined roles and new customized roles can be created from them. After assigning the corresponding role, we can assign a phone. Configure their skills that indicate the agent's areas of expertise and knowledge. Define in which queues the agent will work or change profile data. It is very important to define the roles of the administrator, and this will enable to modify a lot of critical parameters in the contact center. There will be users with more capabilities than others to improve security and avoid all the users can make changes where they shouldn't. Now we are going to explain some capabilities and how the changes are done from the administration point of view. We start in queues. Queues are the waiting line of interaction. We go to Contact Center, then Queues, and you can configure the name. It's the queue name that appears in the real-time views and in reports. The after call work method. We have 4 options. Optional. These options allows the agent to opt out selecting a grab opcode after a call. This feature is useful if your organization does not use grab opcode and your agent do not need after call work time. Mandatory discretionary. For this option, the agent chooses how long to remain in ACW status. In this case, they will set themselves status back to available when they complete their after-call work. Mandatory time boxed means you set the maximum amount of time that an agent may remain in the ACW state to complete their after-call work. If they finish their after-call work early, they can change their status to receive new interaction, or they will automatically go available at the end of the time specified. Mandatory time box no early exit. In this case, the agent will not be able to set themselves back to available if they complete their after-call work early. They will remain in ACW status and automatically be set to available at the end of the time of out period. This feature is useful to give the agent a cool-down period between interaction. PureCloud ACT uses a queues routing and evaluation method to determine how to match interaction and agent. The evaluation method determines how PureCloud processes a skill request for interaction, while the routing method determines which of 2 routing types to use. For the evaluation method, there are 3 options. All skill matching. ACT only considers agents who have all the requested skills. PureCloud looks for the first available agent with the requested skills. Base available skills. ACT only considers agents who have all the requested skills. PureCloud evaluates the first 100 agents to find the agent with the highest average proficiency rating. The average is calculated using the agent's proficiency rating for each of the requested skills. This rewards skills next agent. ACT routes interaction based on agent availability instead of skills. PureCloud looks for the first available agent and ignores any skill request. For the routing method, there are two options. Standard ACD routes interaction to the next available agent. Considers skills as specified by the evaluation method. Bullseye route interactions to a targeted subqueue of agents with specific skills, and if no agents are available, it relaxes the requested skills based on the queue configuration to expand the pool of agents. Once you have done this, you can assign user to the queue. Configure the grab-up code that will be able for the interaction in this queue, and depending of the media type, you can configure. Service level. Calling party name and number for the outbound interaction. The alerting timeout. Number of seconds for an interaction alerting before timing out. In queue flow. The script you want to be displayed when an interaction arrives to the agent. The sound that you want to be reproduced when an interaction of this queue arrives to the agent. Another important functionality is how many channels one agent is going to be able to handle at the same time. You do it with the Agent Utilization feature. Agent utilization indicates the maximum number of concurrent interactions that PureCloud ACD can assign to an agent. Interactions include voice, calls, chat, emails, message, callbacks, and social media expression. By default, an agent can handle at one time one call, up to 4 chat, one email, one message, one callback, one social expression. Agent utilization is configurable at the organization level.